Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the chrysanthemum flower. They are a winter flowering plant. Chrysanthemums are commonly known for their large colorful blooms that are popular in gardens and floral arrangements. Some of its common names are mum, Guldaudi, etc. They also come in different varieties such as button type, spider type, pom-pom, spoon, etc. They also come in many different colors such as white, yellow, pink, red, purple, orange, etc. Today I'll be telling you some simple care of this plant along with some frequently asked questions and some do's and don'ts for this plant as well. Although this is a winter plant, its care starts from June or July. These plants have been flowering in our garden for the last 5 to 7 years, and every year we plant some baby plants from the mother plant. But there's a question that many of you ask, which is that if I propagate a baby plant from the mother plant, does the baby plant flower less? Absolutely not. The baby plant will also flower the same as the mother plant if you take care of it properly. Like how we planted these baby plants from the mother plant last year after flowering season was over. Another frequently asked question we get is that, can I grow chrysanthemums indoors? Yes, you can plant them indoors, but make sure that you place them in a sunny area, such as near a sunny window, and make sure that this plant gets 4 to 5 hours of full sunlight indoors. But it is actually better to plant them outdoors due to the better light and airflow. Another question that we get is that, how do I encourage more flowers in my chrysanthemum plant? The simple answer to this is that to get more flowers, you need more branches in your plant. And to get more branches, you have to regularly keep on pruning or pinching your plants, as well as keep on giving slow releasing fertilizer to your plants. Also make sure to regularly keep on deadheading, which is that removing all dried flowers. Another question is that, how do I propagate chrysanthemum plants? You can easily propagate them by stem cutting or dividing mature plants, or you can also propagate through mother plants, and if you wish you can also propagate them through seeds. One important question is that, what kind of soil is the best for chrysanthemum? You actually need well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soil, and make sure that it's enriched with slow-releasing organic manure. As you can see, this plant has many hardy stems, so if you wish you can cut the stem and remove the leaves from the lower part of the stem. Then you can easily propagate this plant. Now let me tell you about some common do's and don'ts of this plant. First, I'll be telling you what you should be doing to your chrysanthemum plants. First is that provide bright sunlight. Make sure that your plant gets at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Second is to water carefully, which is to only water when the topsoil feels dry, and make sure to only water at the base, not from the top of the plant. If you water from top of the plant, it may be prone to insect attacks. Then use some well-draining soil. If it's not a well-draining soil, then the soil may have water retention, and your plant will slowly die from root rot. Next point is to prune and pinch your plants regularly. Now I'm going to be telling you about some don'ts. First tip is to don't over fertilize. Don't ignore any pest signs. Try to identify it early and fix it. Also make sure that you do not keep this plant in extreme heat. So it would be better for this plant if it avoids noon sunlight. This is the plant's condition right now. We'll keep on pinching this plant regularly so we can get more flowers. And right now we'll only give dilute rice water. I hope if you try this, you'll also get many flowers. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.